This is a 2023 BMW K1600 B. This is BMW's hot rod bagger. This bike sports a 6-cylinder 1600cc engine, pumping out about 160 horsepower and about 130 pounds of torque. So this bike is a rocket. Now the color of this bike is Manhattan Matte Metallic. Leave it to BMW to figure out how to make a matte paint job metallic, but they did it. Unfortunately, the sun has just gone behind the clouds, so you really can't see it, but just an incredible color. This bike is just loaded with technology. It has the 10.25-inch TFT color display, which has all the information on how the bike's running and your speed and tach and trip meters and fuel mileage, and probably more information than you'll probably ever need, but it's all in there. Of course, it has cruise control. Nice big gas tank with a really nice aircraft style fuel door. You have a lot of range with this bike. Now the windshield is electronically controlled with a button on the handlebars, so you can find exactly the sweet spot for your comfort. And what's really slick about this is when you turn the bike off, the windshield will automatically retract. When you start the bike back up, it will go back to your last setting. Now lighting wise, it has LED headlights, and it also has the LED cornering lights that adapt to the corners you're going around to help you light it up. Nice LED driving lights. In the rear of the bike, it has really big LED taillights. Run, stop, turn, so has a lot of visibility from the rear, so folks will be able to see you. Now it has a dual heated seat with separate controls. It has heated grips and also adjustable levers, so you can find just exactly the right comfort for your hands while you're riding. Stereo system with Bluetooth, so you can pump your tunes into this bike. Nice big speakers on each side. Now performance wise, this bike has 3 riding modes. It has a rain mode to help you control the horsepower on a wet road. It has a cruise mode for when you're just rolling down the slab and cruising. It has a dynamic mode, which is full power on and full suspension. Within each of those riding modes, it has 3 suspension modes that are also electronic. You can have 1 up with luggage, or 2 up with luggage. So you can find exactly the right suspension setting. Now it also has electronic suspension adjustment on it, so it will automatically adjust to the load that you're carrying on the bike. It has traction control, engine braking control. It has hill start control to help you start when you're on a steep hill. It has a feature called Quick Shift, which lets you shift up through the gears when you're on the throttle without having to use the clutch. So you can grab a handful of throttle and pop it up through the gears, and you're in the triple digits before you know what happened. Now this 23 K1600B has some really nice options that have been added to it. A really great one is the BMW premium wheels. The stock ones are just all blacked out, and these have a little bit of contrast in them. And the Wunderlich passenger backrest has been added for your passengers' comfort and safety. Both very important and expensive options. It has 2,063 original miles on the odometer. Now, if you're in the market for a sport touring bike and don't want to throw down a boatload of cash to get one, take a good look at this 2023 BMW K1600 B. It has super low miles, an incredible paint job, all the technology, all the performance you need. Some nice accessories have been added to it. Save yourself $8,000 to $10,000 off a new one. For information on how to put this beauty in your garage, please call Will at Dream Cycles USA. It can be reached at 417-343-3696. You can find us on the web at www.dreamcyclesusa.com.